everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If you're a return subscriber, you're welcome. Thanks for always tuning in. And if you're just joining me, you're welcome. Kindly please subscribe, like this video and comment below. So here is the fabric. I already have this unfold. This is folded into 4. So I'll be cutting the length I need from this piece. Note that this is for 2 to 3 year old. From 2 upward to 3 year old can actually rock this. So after cutting this, I'll be taking the length from the shoulder to the length of the full dress I am making, which is going to be 21 inches, and then 1 inches for joining it at the shoulder area. That makes it 22 inches, as you can see. So now start taking the measurements. Before then I'll rearrange it so it is well aligned together with it, because I'm cutting everything on fold. As you can see, both the back and the front is being, I'll be measuring everything together before separating it later on. So the first thing I did now is to take I'll be taking the shoulder to shoulder measurement, which is 5 inches. 5 inches, that's 10 inches, dividing it into 2, which gives me 5 inches for the shoulder to shoulder measurements. So I will be going down now by 10 inches, dividing it into 2. That gives me 5 inches for the armhole curve. That's the round armhole. So now for the chest line I'm having here is 21 inches, dividing it into 4. That gives me 5.5 inches. So I'll outline that now. After outlining it, I will therefore take 5 an inch again, because I will need to have a straight line connecting it downwards from the shoulder line. So I'll take 5 inches again to connect it from the shoulder line downwards. So I'll connect it using my pattern master from that line downwards. Then after connecting it, I'll go down here now by half an inch for the shoulder slope. Note that this is to be connected to the neck width, so I will outline 2.5 inches. You can use more if you want the neck to be very wide, but this is the standard measurement for the neck width you should be using. Then after outlining it, I'll go down from there, from the center part to the neck depth, which is 3 inches. I'll outline it and then I'll connect it using my pattern master from the shoulder slope to the neck width, also from the neck width to the neck depth. So I'll connect it like so, and then I'll go to the armhole. Before outlining the armhole curve for the front, remember I took out half an inch on the shoulder side, which is for the shoulder slope. So I will outline 5 inches again from that area, and then I will add my sewing allowance to this, which is 1 inches, and then I will divide it into 2. I will then go in by half an inch. I will be outlining those 3 lines together from the armhole area downwards to the shoulder slope. So I'll be outlining the back armhole curve right now together with the front armhole curve. So this is the front armhole curve and that is the back armhole curve, as you can see. Just make sure you go through this again before you do your cutting. So now I'll cut this out gently because of the fabric I'm having here. I'll be cutting out just the back area, and then I'll take the back neck depth now 1 inches, and I'll connect it using my free hand. After outlining it, I'll cut this out now, and then I'll go to the bust point like so. I added 1 inches together with the 5.5 inches, which gives me 6.5 inches. So from there I'll connect it to the as you can see, as a triangular shape from the bust line downwards to the end of the dress. So I'll be using my chalk now to outline this using my pattern master, and this is what I'll be cutting out as the A-line shape, as you can see me doing. So I'll cut this out now. Take the back panel and then I'll go down from the neck depth. I'll go down again by 4 inches for the slits to fix in the buttonhole and the button. So I'll join this together now. As you can see how beautiful this is looking already, which is the pattern for the back and the front. So now I'll take this away, and then here is the sleeve I'm working with. The length is 4.5, and then the wideness is 5 inches. So I'll just be cutting it on fold. This is for the both arm or curve, which is for the right hand and the left hand side of the dress I am making. So just note that this is going to be having pleats. That is why the length is so long. And again, I've added the joining allowance for the closing of the sleeve. Now, like I normally do for the front armhole curve, I'll be going in by 1/2 inch. So I'll just outline it, connecting it downwards like so, and I'll cut it out just to differentiate the front armhole from the back armhole. As you see, so the wideness of the sleeve now is 8 inches. Remember I said I'll be putting pleats on this sleeve. So now take that away now, and I'll be cutting the neck facing for this both panel, for both the back and the front panel. Now I'll just place it like so, and then just pay attention, and I'll take from the upper area downwards, just giving it a space, a good space, so it really sits properly for the facing I'm in need of. So I'll go down by 2 inches afterwards the 4 inches I took the other time for the back, and then I'll put the slit, which is 4 inches, so it goes aligned with it. As you can see how accurate that is looking. So I'll do likewise for the front, and that will be all for the facing. I'm done cutting this now. I'll just go and come back and show you how it is looking. As you can see how lovely this is looking. I joined the sides. Remember I added 1 inches for the sewing allowance and the ease, so I joined this down on both sides with 1/4 inch. So I have a free allowance there. So now here is the down of the armhole. As you can see how lovely that is looking. You can see how neatly it is well tailored, and also the sleeve joining to the shoulder. So you can see the facing of this. So I'll be hemming this down afterwards with the hem gum, ironing it down. So I'll flip this now. As you can see, I top stitched it. I did likewise to the back area. So I'll be joining my hook and eyes later on for the for the back slit, so it stands as the button for it. So this is the front. As you can see how lovely this is looking, and my baby can't wait to rock it. So you can see how lovely this is looking, even the back area. So I'll be adding hook and eyes into this slits or the upper area to just secure it down each time she's wearing this. So if you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Here is the organizer I'll be using for this dress. So kindly subscribe, turn your notification bell on, and comment below where you're watching this video from, guys. Please don't forget to share this video with your loved ones, guys. Until I see you again in the next one, bye.